All right, let's dive right into this explainer. We're unpacking an absolutely fascinating case study today, pulled straight from the experiences of a creator who found himself in a pretty tough spot. Imagine graduating squarely into a recession. No job offers, no mentors to guide you, and a hefty student loan hanging over your head. Sounds stressful, right? But here's the kicker. By leveraging AI to build a very specific type of digital business, he completely flipped the script on his career. To really grasp the power of this system, we need to look at the creator's current monthly income. We're talking 400,000 rupees. That's 4 lakh rupees rolling in every single month as passive income. And honestly, the most compelling part of this whole shebang? This money isn't coming from some massive venture-backed tech startup. No way. It's generated entirely from a portfolio of small, independent web projects created using AI. It literally redefines what a solo developer, or even someone with zero coding background, can pull off today. This quote right here perfectly captures that relatable struggle of graduating into a tough economy. Our source was a jobless B.Tech graduate in 2024. He didn't have top-tier university backing, and he didn't even have a high-end laptop when he started out. What he did have, though, was the foresight to see AI as a massive opportunity. Instead of sitting around waiting for an employer to hand him a job, he built his own path. It just goes to show that this blueprint is completely accessible, even if you're starting from absolute zero.
Okay, so here's the roadmap for this explainer. We're going to follow a step-by-step masterclass covering 1. The hook, from jobless to 4 lakh a month. 2. The core strategy. 3. Finding the perfect problem. 4. Coding with AI agents. 5. SEO and free deployment. And finally, 6. Monetizing the traffic.
Let's jump straight into section 1, the hook, from jobless to 4 lakh a month. Let's break down the fundamental business model behind this incredible financial turnaround. So, the absolute crucial point here is that we are not trying to build the next massive software empire. Forget about that. We are building micro tools. These are simple, highly targeted utilities that answer everyday search queries. Think about it. When was the last time you Googled for a PDF compressor, or maybe an online stopwatch, or an image background remover? We all do it, right? Those are micro tools. They do exactly one specific thing, they do it incredibly well, and people all over the world search for them every single day. Moving right along to section 2, the core strategy. Let's zoom out and look at the big picture of how these tiny tools actually compound into serious passive income. Now, what's really fascinating about the math on this slide is the built-in safety net. The strategy here is wonderfully pragmatic. You simply commit to building 12 micro tools a year. That's just 1 a month. Out of those 12, let's be real, maybe 10 just simmer quietly with low traffic. But then 1 or 2 of them hit the algorithm just right. They rank high on Google, they start pulling in thousands of users organically, and boom, you monetize that traffic with Google AdSense. But hey, what if none of them go viral? Well, you've just built an incredible portfolio of 12 live, fully functioning web applications. You can literally walk into any job interview and blow them away with your tech skills. It's a total win-win situation. All right, section 3, finding the perfect problem. Let's get into the execution phase, because you can't just build random stuff. You have to find out exactly what people are actively searching for. Let's look at the creator's online ruler case study, because it makes this whole process so tangible. One day, he literally just needed a ruler, searched for one on his phone, and realized the top Google results were, well, garbage. They were clunky, poorly designed, and didn't even have basic features like screen calibration. So what did he do? He used an SEO tool called Ahrefs keyword generator to verify that, yes, thousands of people, specifically in the US where ad rates are much higher, were searching for this exact thing. Then he used instant domain search to grab a short keywordrich.com domain, and just like that, he was set up to steal market share by simply building a slightly better version. Which brings us to section 4, coding with AI agents. This is where the absolute magic of this explainer happens. Let's see how you actually build the tool without needing a computer science degree. Look at this stark contrast. It perfectly highlights why building a business today is a whole new ballgame compared to even a few years ago. Coding this manually would take roughly a month of grueling work, but using AI agents, it takes about 4 days. You are no longer sitting there painstakingly typing out every single line of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Instead, you step into the role of a project manager. You're directing an advanced AI agent like Claude Code to just build the whole application for you. It's a real game changer. Now, even with AI, your tech stack matters immensely. Choosing Astro.js as your framework over other alternatives is a very deliberate move. Why? Because a lot of modern frameworks build what are called single-page applications, which can honestly kind of struggle with Google search rankings. Astro.js, on the other hand, builds multi-page applications that load lightning fast, and Google absolutely loves that. Add Tailwind CSS for that slick, responsive, industry-standard design, host the whole thing on Cloudflare for free, and let Claude Code handle the heavy lifting of the actual programming. It's the perfect recipe.
Here's the catch, though. You have to explicitly tell your AI agent to include these premium features. If you just type, "build me a ruler," you're going to get a basic, ugly ruler. But if you prompt the AI to use clean UI guidelines from top platforms like Vercel, to add custom favicons to ensure flawless mobile responsiveness, and to implement a cool dark mode toggle, bam! Your tool instantly looks 100 times better than those outdated competitor websites that haven't been touched in 5 years. And connecting the Astro.js MCP ensures your AI has the most up-to-date context to work with.
Moving on to Section 5, SEO and free deployment. The code is written, it looks great, but now we need to make sure Google actually finds it, and we want to host it without spending a dime.
Okay, listen up, because you absolutely cannot skip this pre-launch checklist. If you're missing foundational elements like a privacy policy, terms and conditions, or a simple contact page, Google will outright reject you when you apply for AdSense monetization. They aren't just looking at your little tool, they're judging the legitimacy of your entire website. So, you have your AI generate about 600 words of relevant on-page content and an FAQ section using structured data. This basically spoon-feeds search engine crawlers exactly what your site does, massively boosting your odds of hitting that coveted first page of Google. Don't forget your error 404 page, your sitemap, and your robots.txt files.
Now, for a really brilliant pro-level deployment workaround. When you deploy for free using Cloudflare Pages, they give you a temporary testing link. But when you connect your shiny new purchase.com domain, your site essentially exists in 2 places at once. And guess what? Search engines absolutely despise duplicate content. If you aren't careful, Google will penalize your real domain. So, step 3 is critical. You add a specific headers file to explicitly no-index that temporary Cloudflare domain. It tells Google to ignore the test site, ensuring all that precious SEO ranking juice flows straight to your main.com.
Finally, we've reached Section 6, monetizing the traffic. Let's ground our expectations and look at the actual timeline for turning these website visitors into cold, hard cash.
It is so essential to manage your expectations here. This is definitely not some overnight get-rich-quick scheme. It is the methodical building of digital assets. On day 1, you deploy your tool and submit it to Google Search Console so they know you exist. Then you wait. You have to be patient for about 4 to 6 months as your SEO rankings naturally climb the ladder. Once you verify through Google Analytics that you're hitting a threshold of at least 10 daily users, that's when you finally apply for AdSense. And from there, it's ongoing. You earn passive revenue from the traffic while you get to work building your next micro tool.
So, now that you have this complete, step-by-step blueprint to build a passive income asset from absolute scratch, the only real question left is, what are you going to build first? The barrier to entry has literally never been lower. You don't need a fancy computer science degree, and you certainly don't need venture capital. You just need a keen eye for everyday frustrations, a bit of patience, and the willingness to direct an AI intelligently. So take a look around you today. Pay close attention to those clunky, annoying websites you use just out of pure necessity. I guarantee you, your very first profitable micro tool is probably hiding right there in your own browser history.